The 2026 IMT Tractor 330 is designed for farmers who want strong performance, simple operation, and long-term reliability in everyday agricultural work. This tractor represents the true spirit of hardworking farming, built to handle tough fields, long hours, and changing seasons without losing power or comfort. From land preparation to harvesting support, the IMT 330 stands as a dependable partner that farmers can trust year after year. This tractor comes with a powerful and fuel-efficient engine that delivers steady torque, making it ideal for plowing, tilling, sowing, and hauling. The engine is engineered to perform smoothly even under heavy load, ensuring consistent output in both dry and wet field conditions. Its low fuel consumption helps farmers reduce operating costs, which is especially important during long working days. The engine starts easily and runs reliably, making it suitable for both small and medium farms. The transmission system of the 2026 IMT Tractor 330 is built for ease of use and durability. Smooth gear shifting allows the operator to work comfortably without unnecessary strain. Multiple speed options help the tractor adapt to different farming tasks, whether slow and controlled movement is needed for plowing or higher speed is required for transport work. The clutch system is responsive and strong, ensuring efficient power transfer from the engine to the wheels. The tractor's strong and balanced body structure provides excellent stability in the field. Its solid chassis and well-designed weight distribution improve traction and control, even on uneven or muddy land. The rear wheels are designed to provide firm grip, reducing wheel slip and increasing productivity. This makes the IMT 330 suitable for a wide range of soil types and farming environments. Hydraulic performance is one of the key strengths of the 2026 IMT Tractor 330. The advanced hydraulic system allows easy lifting and handling of farming implements such as plows, cultivators, and seed drills. The lifting capacity is strong and reliable, enabling smooth operation during continuous work. This helps farmers complete tasks faster and with greater precision. Operator comfort has also been given special attention in this model. The seating position is comfortable and well-balanced, reducing fatigue during long working hours. All controls are placed within easy reach, making operations simple even for new users. The steering system is smooth and responsive, allowing easy turning and better control in tight field spaces. Clear visibility from the driver's seat helps the operator work safely and efficiently throughout the day. Maintenance of the 2026 IMT Tractor 330 is simple and cost-effective. The design allows easy access to key components, making routine checks and servicing quick and hassle-free. The tractor is built using durable materials that ensure long service life and reduce breakdowns. Spare parts are easily available, which further lowers maintenance costs and downtime. Overall, the 2026 IMT Tractor 330 is a strong, reliable, and economical tractor that meets the real needs of modern farmers. Its powerful performance, fuel efficiency, durable build, and operator-friendly design make it an excellent choice for daily agricultural operations. This tractor is not just a machine, but a long-term investment that supports farmers in achieving better productivity and success in their fields.